Hey there YouTube, it's Eric here again. So I got some awesome news. So I finally finished my steering that I've been trying to complete for like the last 5 or 6 videos now. So just kind of a recap of what happened or what's going on, or what I got and everything. It's the GM 1-ton Y crossover steer. So you can do like a high steer. And basically it's a complete kit. You get all the joints, you get the Y steer or the Y tie rod that has the extra like hole in it so you can connect into it, and you get 48 inches of 1.5 by 1/4 inch thick steel tube. I don't think it's chromoly, but yeah, you get all the joints, all the bungs, all of everything, and then you just measure out the tube, drill the holes. They give you the sleeves so you can like flip the joints on top or on the bottom or everything, and freaking it was like 250 bucks. You can't beat that. Like honestly, a kit, a full 1-ton steering kit that's freaking, yeah, I mean, awesome. I mean, it's, from what I hear, you know, the design is, you know, been used for a lot of vehicles and everything else, so yeah, you can't go wrong for the price. It's awesome. So I went and took it for a test drive, whatever. Got up to about 55 and it eliminated a lot of my vibration in the front end of this thing. So there's still a little extra. I think it might be just track bar, maybe some U-joint action going on in there or something, or ball joints, one or the other. So, but enough yapping. Let's check it out. So here we are. We got our new Y steer all in place. I did, I believe it's like kind of like a navy blue, maybe a little bit lighter. So, but yeah, so you get joint there, that's a standard joint, and then another standard joint over there. You get a high angle joint right there for the pitman arm. The kit did not come with that pitman arm. That pitman arm's from, not 100% sure, but I think it is Rough Country or something. I bought it offline, I can't remember. And then the Y steer set up. So but you can check out the clearance there. I do have about, I'd say about half to about 3/4 of an inch of clearance on either side there. You can kind of check that out. So not too bad. I'm a little worried, you know, if I'm going through any sort of mud puddles or something like that and get something caught up in there and take out something. So but honestly, it is awesome. So yeah, I am very, very pleased on how this all turned out. So another thing, it could be a little bit extra vibration, is I'm not running, as you can tell, I cut out part of that bracket for extra clearance, which I didn't need, because I was trying to clear for high steer. That's what I was going for. But to get a little extra clearance, I cut out the steering stabilizer bar or bracket to get a little extra out of there. But honestly, I didn't need to do that because I can't clear the sway bar mounts on either side, so I had to go back to the bottom. So but that's one thing I'm not running, is I'm not running a stabilizer bar, so that might be a little bit of vibration in there. So I won't be for a little while until I can get the mount to that bar. So I have been thinking about steering assist or hydro assist, but on 33s it's really not that necessary. A little bit of overkill, but I mean, I want to turn this thing into a freaking monster. So I'm sitting at 6 inches and 33s on a 3-link front. That front end is like very well built, or not very well built, but I mean it's coming right along. I have 1-ton steering now. Discos, 3-link, Fox shocks, and 6-inch Rubicon, or not Rubicon, or yeah, Rubicon. I don't know, something. Then I got a 2-inch spacer, got some extra lights there, and then I got Crown extended brake lines. I'm going to work on a YJ setup, front knuckle setup, and either Spicer or Moog or something like that, 1-ton U-joints and ball joints for the front shafts, and also for the front driveline, because they went out. So But anyways, here is my new 1-ton steering. It's by Rough Stuff. I welded it all together, put it together myself. Went together with a breeze. I probably could have done it within a day, or maybe 6 hours or so if I kept pushing, but the heat is just so freaking hot out here lately, so I had to take a break here and there and let it cool down. But it turned out freaking awesome. Had a little trouble with some alignment here and there, but I got it done. Did it basically by myself. Yeah, so I mean, I'm very happy with it. Now some new parts here and there are gonna come down, some new ball joints and U-joints, and hopefully that'll finish the front end and then onto the motor. So yeah, so thanks for joining us, or joining me, and checking out my sweet new steering setup. So there we are, and I guess I'll see you on the trail. Alrighty, late.